Imagine you're in production on a direct-to-film order and you mess up on a transfer application. We're going to show you how to get a second chance at pressing onto that same garment using VLR. You ready? Well, this helpful product from Albachem is a solvent used to remove vinyl transfers and residual adhesives left on most fabrics and garments. We're going to apply a generous amount to the transfer we wish to remove. And apply this all over our image. Now, after we've applied this, what we want to do is kind of pull around the material. And as you can see, the transfer is already starting to come off. I'm just going to gently rub around the affected transfer area. We can use a scrubber or maybe a non-abrasive brush to perform this. And if you're finding some of the adhesive still remaining on the garment, we can always apply a little bit more. Now, this quick drying solvent should not affect the garment color or discolor. In conclusion, guys, always remember, test, test, test. That's how we found this product even works with DTF.